everyone, this is Meeta. I'm excited today to introduce my easy-to-use transportation bookkeeping spreadsheet. This spreadsheet allows you to track all of your income and expenses. It also allows you to track your income and expenses by each vehicle. And finally, it also allows you to track your wages for each driver on a weekly basis. It comes with a profit and loss statement that is automatically generated, and it also has a balance sheet template where you can enter your different assets and liabilities, and it will calculate different ratios for you. It also has a vendor list where you can record information for up to 50 vendors, and all the names that you enter here become an automatic drop-down list in your expenses tab. The settings tab is where you can customize and put in your company name. You can change the fiscal period. You can enter the income sources. There are 15 included. You can enter different operating expenses. There are 31 operating expenses included. There are 12 cost of goods sold categories. You have 5 trucks and you have 5 drivers. You can change the names of any of these categories simply by going into that cell and typing over it. So say we want to add another income source as moving services. Let's head over to where we will be entering the transactions. This is the income tab, and you will be entering all your income transactions over here. I've entered some sample data. Let's enter a transaction, say Feb 2nd. Type it in. You'll see automatically the week number gets assigned to it. Choose your income source. Let's say it's goods delivery. Choose your truck or vehicle. This is optional. If you choose it, then it will show in your truck dashboard over here. So let's choose truck 1. Let's enter $10,000. And the sales tax percentage is optional. If you enter a sales tax percentage, it will get automatically calculated. Let's take it off for now. You can enter a contractor name, a description, and any optional additional notes as you wish. If we go to the dashboard, you will see that $10,000 has been added to your total income in Feb, and it drills down to goods delivery of $10,000 in Feb. If we go to the truck dashboard, you will see truck 1 has $10,000 assigned to it from the sale of goods. Heading over to the expenses tab, where you would enter your expense transactions. Let's say we want to enter wages. Let's put in February 2nd again. Once again, the week is automatically assigned. Choose driver's wages. Now you can assign a driver to those wages. So say it's for driver 1, and his wages for that week are $1,500. If you go to the wages dashboard, you will see in week 6, $1,500 has been paid, and you get a further breakdown by driver. So driver 1 had $1,500 in week 6. If we go to the main dashboard, you will see that $1,500 in expenses have now been recorded in February. If we go down and see the detail, you will see driver's wages of $1,500 for February. Going back to the expenses tab, let's enter another transaction, say February 3rd. Let's now choose, say, vehicle maintenance and repairs. Then let's choose a truck for which this is going to be assigned. Let's choose truck 1. And we are going to put in $250 as the expense. These are optional columns. You can put in your vendor name. You can choose a vendor, who you paid it to, your receipt number, and notes. Now if we head over to the truck's dashboard, you will see that truck 1 got assigned $250 for vehicle maintenance and repairs. So as you have seen, the dashboards are all automatically updated as soon as you enter any transaction. You have the main dashboard, which lists out all your income, expenses, cost of goods sold, your profits, and you have the truck dashboard, which shows you income, expenses, and profit by each truck, and also gives you a breakdown by the income source, cost of goods sold, and operating expenses. And you have the wages dashboard, which shows you the wages paid to each driver on a weekly basis. I will be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment sections below. Please leave me your questions and comments. You can also reach me through my website, moneyusage.com. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.